Hi, this is Alicia and welcome to Last Minute Psych. This video is for A Level Psychology CIE 9990, specifically paper 3-2 Clinical Psychology. We are going to look at an exam style question on the treatment and management of obsessive compulsive disorder, focusing on SSRIs and exposure and prevention, also called ERP. I'll show you how to answer both the 6-mark describe question and the 10-mark evaluate question in the way examiners are looking for. By the end of this video, you should be confident explaining how SSRIs and ERP work and evaluating them using strengths, weaknesses, and issues and debates, including children in research. Let's quickly look at the structure of the exam question. Here in part A, what is expected is for you to describe SSRIs and ERP for 6 marks. This is an AO1 question, so it's all about knowledge and understanding. And in part B, what is expected is for you to evaluate SSRIs and ERP, which also specifically mentions for you to include a discussion about the use of children in research. Next is, let's begin with what is OCD. Obsessive compulsive disorder or OCD involves obsessions which are intrusive and unwanted thoughts and compulsions which are repetitive behaviors carried out to reduce anxiety. Treatments for OCD aim to reduce anxiety and help break the cycle between obsessions and compulsions. SSRIs. SSRIs stand for selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. They are a biological treatment commonly prescribed for OCD, and examples include clomipramine, sertraline, etc. SSRIs work by blocking the reuptake of serotonin in the brain. This increases the availability of serotonin at synapses. Higher levels of serotonin are associated with reduced anxiety. When anxiety is reduced, the individual feels less need to carry out compulsive behaviors such as repeated hand washing. It's important to know that people with OCD are often given higher doses of SSRIs than people being treated for depression. There is strong research support for the effectiveness of SSRIs. For example, Sumro et al. Conducted a meta analysis of 17 studies involving over 3,000 participants. They found that SSRIs were more effective than a placebo and led to a significant reduction in Vibox scores, which measures the severity of OCD symptoms. The second treatment is exposure and response prevention or ERP. ERP is a form of cognitive behavioral therapy, so it is a psychological treatment rather than a drug based one. In ERP, the therapist first works with the patient to identify their obsessions and compulsions. The patient is then gradually exposed to situations that trigger anxiety. At the same time, they are prevented from carrying out their usual compulsive behaviors. Although anxiety initially increases at first, the patient learns that the anxiety naturally reduces over time even without performing the compulsion. This helps break the obsession compulsion cycle. A well known example of ERP comes from Lamecool et al. 2008. This was a case study of a 12-year-old boy called Jason who had both autism and OCD. This was a case study that is specifically used for ERP, even in the Cambridge textbook. Jason received 10 CBT session over 16 weeks. And here you can see response prevention was using coping statements, and the Y box score reduced from 18 to 3. To reach full marks, For the 6 mark describe question, which is the main point of this video, you must describe both SSRIs and ERP, explain how each treatment reduces OCD symptoms, include at least one named study. Remember, this question is about description, not evaluation. For the 10-mark evaluation question, it's helpful to use PEE paragraphs, which is point, explanation, and example. You should include a range of strengths and weaknesses, and you must discuss children in research somewhere in your answer. Let's begin with an example of what you can include in this answer, which will give you the highest band marks. One strength of both SSRIs and ERP is that they are effective treatments. SSRIs are supported by large scale research, such as Sumro et al.'s meta analysis. ERP has also been shown to reduce symptoms in the long term, as seen in studies like Lamecool et al. This increases the validity of these treatments. And the next strength is reliability. SSRIs follow a standardized dosage schedule, uh, starting low and increasing gradually. ERP also follows a clear treatment framework, meaning it can be replicated across patients. However, individual responses may still require adjustments. The next thing that we are going to look at is going to be weaknesses, which is the next part of your answer. A weakness of SSRIs is that they can cause side effects such as nausea and sleep disturbances. Some patients may also experience withdrawal symptoms when stopping medication. ERP, while effective, can be distressing, particularly during early exposure sessions. And these issues raise ethical concerns, especially for vulnerable patients. The next is use of children in research. However, this is a weakness rather than a strength over here. I am using it as a weakness for my explanation. You can use this also as a strength. ERP may be too distressing for younger children who may not fully understand that their anxiety will reduce. Children may also struggle to describe their thoughts or use coping statements effectively. When using SSRIs, side effects must be carefully monitored, making treatment more complex. Many studies on OCD treatments use case studies. A strength of this approach is that it provides rich, in depth data over time. However, a major weakness is low generalizability, as findings are based on one individual or a very small sample. There is also a risk of therapist bias. These treatments can also be linked to issues and debates. SSRIs can be seen as an individual explanation as dosage is tailored to each patient. ERP can be seen as both situational because it focuses on learning through exposure and individual as treatment is tailored to specific obsessions. Culturally, SSRIs are widely used across cultures, while ERP may be less accessible or more stigmatized in some societies. Overall, both SSRIs and ERP are effective treatments for OCD. Now, for full marks in a 10-mark evaluation question, remember to compare treatments, use named issues, link to issues and debates, and always address children in research when required. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, you can check out more exam focused A level psychology videos here on Last Minute Psych.